So hello everyone. Today I am back with another new video. Now this video is going to be a bit different from the previous video I uploaded on this channel. Previously I uploaded mainly of editing videos and retouching tutorials. Today I am going to show you a behind the scenes video of one of my shoots. Now if you remember, a few days ago I have posted a story on my Instagram and asked every one of you that if you wanted a behind the scenes video of that shoot. So a lot of you, probably 98% have voted for yes. So here I am with the behind the scenes video. So by the way, if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, here is my username and links between in the description below. And without any ado, let's get started.
Double cup, become straight, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check the bitch like I'm.
Now disclaimer. I am going to switch back to my phone camera, so if you see the footage a little bit grainy, don't blame me, it's my phone, it's not me. And yeah, I can't shoot the video and the pictures with both my camera, so you know what to do. So I will be switching back to my phone. I will be showing you my light setup, I will be showing you the scenes, the ambience which I set on my on my table, and I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of the shoot which I did. So without any ado, let's get started.
So hello everyone, we are back in the studio. As you can see, we are shooting this packet of dark fantasy Choco Fields cookies of the brand Sunfeast. We have set the ambient in all black. As you can see, the black background, the black chair I've used for the base to add a little bit of shine. You can see the cookies one on another, and a packet, a sealed packet set just for the scene like this. Okay, and you can see the full packet over the sealed packaging. We are using Rodovsky T520 version 2 manual flash, not a strobe light, mounted on a 95 cm octagonal softbox in a 45-degree angle. For the shoot, I am using my Nikon D3300 camera with the kit lens 18 to 55. Now I will be showing you the settings of my camera. So this is the setting of my camera today. The aperture is set at 6.3 and the ISO is at 100. And the shutter speed is at 1/200 because that is the maximum it can go for this pair of flash, and I am triggering the flash with this triggers which comes along with it. So without any ado, let's get shooting. We are in the second setup of the day. As you can see, I have incorporated a few fairy lights over here. This is a battery operated fairy light which I have bought from Amazon. You can find the link in the description. And for this I have set the cookies in this way with the packaging at the back. And this is much it. I'm going to show you my camera settings in a moment. So as you can see, I am using my Nikon D3300. So these are the settings in my camera. The aperture is 3.2, ISO 100, and the shutter speed is 1/200, as that is the highest speed the shutter can go with these pair of flashes. So I'll be shooting now, so let's get into. Oh, by the way, I am using my trusted 50mm prime lens for this shoot, as this shot needs some bokeh in the background. So I have all those fairy lights. These are going to like make a good delicious bokeh in the background. So without any ado, let's get started.
So I guess you like the video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button over there, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.